Hey everyone, forgot your Cloud AI password? No worries. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your password and regain access to your account. Yeah, the process is simple, and it only takes a few minutes. First, open your web browser and visit the official Cloud AI website. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This will take you to the password recovery page. Next, enter the email address associated with your Cloud AI account. Double-check that you've typed it correctly, then click the Submit or Continue button to request a password reset email. Cloud AI will send a password reset email to your inbox. Open the email and click the reset link. If you don't see the email within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. After opening the reset link, create a new password that is both strong and easy for you to remember. Enter it again to confirm, then click the Reset Password or Save Changes button. Using a unique password helps keep your account more secure. Once your password has been updated successfully, return to the login page and sign in using your email address and your new password. So you should now have full access to your Cloud AI account again, and that's how you reset your Cloud AI password. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.